Hi, this is Carrie. Thank you so much for watching. I am planting lithops seeds. I wanted square pots to plant my seeds in, so I ordered them through Amazon. These are 2.5 inch square by 3 inch deep pots. You need deep pots because lithops makes long tap roots, and square spots help me to save space. I'm using coffee filter to cover the bottom holes, and then I'm using a soil mixture for the lithops that is 5 parts crushed granite, 2 parts Miracle-Gro cactus mix, and 2 parts sand. I filled as many containers as I thought I would need and then put a name tag in each cup, and the name tag has the name and the date that they were planted. I purchased all of my seeds from the cactusstore.com. I think I got all that they had available as far as the different types. The next step was to water all of the pots, and I did this watering from the bottom so that it soaked it up without disturbing the soil. Once that I could see that the soil was all wet, I went ahead and got ready to plant my seeds. It is not an easy thing to plant lithops seeds. The seeds are so tiny that with my bad eyes I can barely see the seeds. I clipped off the top of the little bag with scissors. This gave me access to the seeds and allowed me to put one of the labels inside the bag and gently push seeds out. Some of my seed packets had 25 seeds in them and some of them had 100. So the ones that had 25, I just went ahead and planted them all in one of the cups. The packets with 100 seeds in them, I went ahead and put basically half in one cup and half in the other. And then once I had all of the seeds planted, I went ahead and sprinkled a layer, just a thin layer of sand on top, and then just gently compressed that. Lithops seeds are so small, they have very little energy in them, so you have to make sure that they're not being planted very deep so that they have enough energy when they sprout to work their way to the top. After completing the planting process, I put these in my pot room on a heated grow mat, and they'll stay there for about a week. And they're also covered so I can hold in the moisture, and I won't water them again until I take them off of the grow mat. So the 30 secrets that you might not know, the first one is the flowers of many lithops have a spicy sweet scent. Have you smelt of your blooms lately? The second is there are no two plants who have exactly the same markings. And then the third secret is the word lithops is both singular and plural in both the scientific name and common name. Now the question is, can you name off one of the many different names that lithops are called? Here are 2 of them. Split rock and flowering stones, and there are several others. Can you name them? Put that in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you next time on Garden Rudiments.